I'm waiting on a load, and I've decided to take the cluster out and clean on all the dust and dirt that is inside. I'm gonna start doing it now. Take this trim out, this one, this a little bit, 25. Start remove this screw, this one and this one. This top trim. You got this out. Now take this out. You got one screw here, another screw here under this plate. I had to put everything back together because I gotta load and I gotta drive a little bit. It's a short run. I got like 22 miles deadhead to what is it? Elkton, Tennessee. So I have to start driving now.
It's a little windy today. Warm, but windy. Holy moly, what happened here? Wow. No way. Jesus. Kids here, everywhere. Paint. $13,600. And we're a few miles away. Right here. So I'm gonna at least everywhere no trucks, no trucks, no trucks. What about here? Somewhere here in the middle of nowhere. Wow. This here.
I don't have to because he's already in the trailer, so I think he knows what I'm picking up. This door for me. The other one will close. Unloaded, fellas.
There's only 5 pallets, and now we got 20 miles to Athens, Alabama.
let's finish this cluster cleaning. These gotta be removed. I'm gonna remove these little knobs, so it's gonna be much easier to take this off. This plate's off, and now it's 1, 2, I believe, 3 and 4. There's screws, not bolts, so 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. The whole cluster is coming out easy. Just the plug on the back, that's it. There's 3 plugs, 2 green ones and 1 blue, and these wires, holders, you have to pop them out. Cluster is out. I'm gonna open the back and clean the front. Little T10 screws, 11 of them all around here, and voila. Now I have a little detailing brush. Look at all this mess here. I hate it. Gotta clean this. Right away, much better. You guys think like new. Now this mess. Okay, let's put this back together. Now 11 little screws back, and it's done. Much cleaner.